Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Josie's excited. Oh my gosh, we're so excited. Okay, she's done being excited. Maybe. Okay, today we're going to be doing our Lola September 2018 unboxing. If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $70 or more. And then you can earn points for reviewing products and earn free stuff or even a free box. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. When you open it up, it looks just like this on the inside. It's got the little card that has the theme for the month. So this month's theme is Vacation Farewell. And then on the back it'll have everything that we're getting in this box as well as the values. Okay, so let's go pull out the first thing I'm seeing. So this is a shea butter and cocoa butter hand cream from, I want to say Andalou Naturals. It's called A Path of Light. Right on the back it says it's cruelty free. Let's go ahead and smell it. It's very creamy consistency, so it's good for hand cream. Smells citrusy. Okay, it says right on the front that it is Clementine, so smells good. Not mad about a hand cream. I don't use a ton of hand cream, but not mad that I got it. Let's see. This is valued at $8.95, so pretty affordable hand cream right here. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Laqa. We got a palette, either from this or, yes, it must be from this box last month, I want to say. It's called Be Lighter. Okay. This brand is cruelty free, so that's good. So the packaging is really cute. It's got like rose gold metal on the lid. The shade is called Royce. Cute name. Oh, interesting. So it's like a pink cream highlighter. I don't think I'm going to swatch this. I don't typically go for pink highlighters. I'm more of like a champagne or like more natural sort of color. So this I'll probably just go ahead and toss into a giveaway. So this is valued at $17. Oh, it says it's a blush or a highlighter. I just got that Laura Geller shimmery blush highlighter kind of thing, so don't really need another one right now. But it looks cool. If you're into that, it looks really nice. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Beauty by Brianna. It's not telling me if it's cruelty free, but it is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Marissa. Oh, beautiful color. Okay, so it's just like this really fuchsia kind of color. I really, really like the color a lot. Go ahead and swatch it. It's just got a typical doe foot applicator, nothing special there. I really, really like the color. I hope this ends up being cruelty free because it is very, very pretty. It looks a little red on camera, but it is definitely like a wine fuchsia kind of color. Really, really excited for this. Let's see. This is valued at $19. It says tip, since BBB long wearing lipstick is that incredible, it will not come off unless you use an oil. Good to know. While I just put this on my hand, let me go ahead and see if I can get it off before it dries down. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it is a little pink. So just be mindful of that. It is apparently really, really long wearing, so that's good if you're into that. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Chella. I've gotten this before. It's the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Just this little... Okay, so basically if I remember correctly, it's got like the little brush on one side right here, and then it's got the actual product in this little tube. It's like a brown. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I gave the last one I had got away, but let's go ahead and see. So I thought before the color might be too light for me because it's the exact same color I got before. But it looks like something I might be able to make work. I do like, I mean, I do normally use a pomade on my brows, so this seems like something I could use. So I will definitely try it out this time. This is valued at $26, which to me seems a little bit expensive for what it is, but that's what it is. Okay, one more thing we have left. It is a palette from IBY Beauty. It's called the Poolside palette. Really, really like the packaging. It's really, really fun for summer, which I guess if this is the end of the summer box, it makes sense. This is cruelty free. I'm not sure if I mentioned the Chella is also cruelty free. I think this is my third palette from them now. The shadows I really, really like. They're very, they're good quality. Let's see what this is valued at before I swatch it. This is valued at $20, so not a bad price for 12 shades. A little over $1 each shade, so not bad. The colors, let me show you. So it's a lot of pink. A lot of pink. So if you are into pink eyeshadow, I think you will definitely enjoy this. I'm kind of drawn to this green color right here, this BYO Bikini, just because that kind of like teal aqua is like my kind of color. Don't really wear it on my eyes though, but let's go ahead and swatch some of these. All right, so here I have 4 colors on my hand. So there's 4. As you can see, they're like super, super pigmented. This is like a shimmery sort of white color. I will say they are a little bit powdery, but the pigment payoff is like incredible. I'm really excited about this. I always like getting new colors, things that sort of like force me to not wear just like brown eyeshadow. So definitely excited about this. Overall, this is probably one of my more favorite boxes I've gotten from Lola. This I'm really excited for. I really, really hope this is cruelty free. Like, I love this color. The palette is great. This is like meh, not my favorite thing, but excited that I'm not gonna try it this time. So the highlighter is good, it's just not for me. And then just a basic hand cream. So, I mean, I'm not mad. I like this box. As always, I will put whether everything is cruelty free down below. So I will research this one. And I always put the values of everything and then add up the value of the box if you're interested in that, because I don't math well on the spot. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more sleepy dogs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.